You are very stupid. You are stupid and you are very mad. In fact, you inherited the madness of your great-great-great-grandfather. You are a fool! How dare you? How dare you touch my thing? Who told you to shift the slippers? Why are you shifting it? Is it blocking for your destiny? Is the slippers blocking you from taking it? Eh? Who told you to remove the slippers from where I kept it? In Apodala.
I'm sorry. I only shifted it so I can sweep that place.
Is it? You only shifted it. Chineke Pokwago. Chineke Pokwago said, anywhere walking. You are shifting it as who? You are shifting it as what? Do you know that because you have taught this path, I will not wear it again? Chineke Amangwe, God forbid. I will not wear it again because I don't know if you have transferred your bad luck to the slippers. Can you imagine? Other people come from their families into a new family. Evil spirit from Nanaga put at this compound. Barren food and no fear. Oh, in a pushing. In a thing, are you squeezing your face? You are squeezing your face. Why now? Did I say anything that is not true? Are you not barren? Are you not barren? Let me even ask you a small question. How many abortions have you committed? Gwama, we keep your secret for you. Eh? Only God knows how many abortions you have committed that kept you in this condition. Do you have womb at all? Because I'm very sure that in the process of that abortion, maybe they have removed your womb. Because from where I am sighting this your stomach, it looks very empty. It looks empty. All this noise that stomach that has something inside in it. No, because your womb is as empty as your brain. I told you to leave my brother alone. I told you to go since you cannot perform a job. But don't worry. By the time I finish with you, you will pack your bags by yourself and you will run away. You will not walk away. You will run away from this compound. Rubbish. Foolish goats. Look at you. My brother. Fool. Okay. If I'm anti. What are you talking?
Oh, if I may, did I do anything wrong to you? I was only trying to make this place clean.
So, by touching my slippers, and I'm asking you again, why did you shift my slippers? Is it blocking your destiny? Is it blocking your move? Is it blocking you from taking it? Why did you touch it?
Only God in heaven will bear me witness that I was a virgin when your brother married me.
How long? I'm looking for where to go.
Only God will bear me witness. God, you have to vindicate me. Vindicate me because this is too much for me. This is too much of a load. I can't take it anymore.
Why are you deceiving yourself? Look at who said my brother made her a virgin. Onyenka. Hey! Child! Akudo! Why do you like deceiving yourself? How? Hey! Akudo, I'm gonna go cheap. I am an old hand in this game. We all know the work of Alum now. We know the miracle work of Alum. One drop, into a high on your chair. Do you know how many men I got with it? Eh? You won't walk on today. They made you a virgin. They made you a virgin in Mumbai. Go ask around. How many virgins are infertile? How many? Virgin or neka no na Mumbai. Virginia. I don't blame you. It is me that went to package evil spirits into this compound. I blame myself a little. Hey! Look at the way this useless girl condemned this in us. This is my best advice. Because if I want to confirm sales or that, it is better I lose it than to inherit the evil spirits from her great grandpa. I love you. These people want to undermine the office of the first doctor in this compound. Many want for that chance. It will not work. This home office is so near. No transfer. Rubbish.
It's alright. It's okay. My love, it's okay.
It's not okay. It is not okay, Aham. It is either you take me far away, very far away from your sister, or I will run out of this marriage.
You can't say that.
I can't take it.
My love, you can't say that. No? But what was the cause of this quarrel this morning between you and my sister? Yeah? What happened?
I was sweeping the front of the house. And then I removed Sister Nwokoye's slippers just to sweep that place. Nothing more.
Yeah?
Sister Nwokoye used all manner of evil words on me. Do you know that she even said that she will not use that slippers again because I must have transferred my ill luck to the slippers. Just because I touched her slippers.
Just because you touched ordinary slippers? What kind of nonsense is this now? What kind of nonsense is this? I know. It's alright. Okay? I'm sorry for what happened. As a matter of fact, I'm apologizing on behalf of my sister. Forgive her for my sake. You should understand her condition. You know what she's going through. She's a divorcee. That is why she's frustrated. Oh? Please. Just forgive her for my sake. Alright? Please, baby. Assam.
Aham.
Hmm?
Do you want me to continue living in this house with you as my husband?
Yes, now. You continue living with me forever. I want you to continue living with me till death do us part. That is the vow we took now. Why are you asking me this kind of question? What happened?
Please. I am pleading. Take me away from here. Take me away from this family house. The frustration is too much. The pressure from your sister will kill me. I am dying slowly. I am no longer myself.
It's alright, you'll be fine. You'll be fine.
My heart is shattered.
Nwokoye. Please, how does it concern you? Whether my wife gives me children or not, how's it your business?
I can see that you have fallen under Akudo's spell. Okuya, onye rireri. I can see that she has swallowed you with her wanje powers. Efulefu. Onye rireri, that is what you are. The way I am looking at you now, what I am seeing is a walking corpse. Iwozu Nagije. Yes, onye nwura Nagije, that is what you are.
Nwokoye, you call me Afamefuna, the only son of Mazi Anyanwu, a walking corpse. I am ashamed of you. I am ashamed of you. And you are very lucky you are my only sister. If not, I will have sent you back to your husband's house. Are you mad? No wonder your husband divorced you and even seized your children. I am ashamed of you.
Aham, you are ashamed of me. But you are not ashamed of poverty. Chineke Bogoko. Aham, Egwenigwe Wawogo. Aham, Arusu Mozo Kubiagono Sabo. May the gods scatter that useless mouth of yours for vomiting that nonsense. Anyway, let me make it very clear to you. 100 of your type cannot chase me out of my father's house. We can't do anything.
Oh, it's now a competition. Eh? It is now a competition. Is that what you're trying to tell me? Why can't you go? Why can't you let the same girl you recommended for me, the same girl you forced me to marry, have peace in her husband's house? Why? What did she do to you?
A slave. That is what you are. Is your here. Thank God that your blockhead still remember that I was the one who recommended her for you. And if I had known that witch has eaten all the children in her womb, I won't try it now. I will not try it.
Okay. Let my wife have peace in her husband's house. Alright? Allow my wife have peace in her husband's house. You can go back to your husband's house if you want to. But please, let my wife be. Else, you have me to contend with. Nonsense!
Zoos away! Smell away! In Anuya! Smell away! You are very foolish. If you had any atom of sense or brain inside that your empty skull, you will know that there is no way I will allow my father's lineage to close or end. I will not try it. So you better go and tell that a fool of your wife, that empty barrel, that witch, to produce a child for me. Oh, let her give birth to a child. If she doesn't do it, I will bundle her out of this compound with immediate alacrity. Then I will go outside there. I will find a fruitful lady. I will bring her into this compound. I will enforce her on you.
You cannot do that. You cannot do that.
I will do it.
You cannot do that.
Hey!
Let my wife enjoy her husband's household. I'm warning you now.
Husband.
I am warning you now.
Go and prove yourself a man.
Nonsense.
Go and prove yourself a man. Shege. Prove yourself a man. That is the only thing you do. But when it comes to proving yourself a man, you bring a flefu. Give me a child or I will descend on both of you. Chero. This is not normal. A man has not been able to prove himself a man, yet he is not bothered. Hey, come on. This one that he is busy defending that flavor. Then you know the is he still working at all? Corner blank. Hey. Anyway, I don't care whose fault it is. The only thing I care is that you should give me a child in this house. If you don't give me a child, I will keep bringing women inside. I will keep bringing women until one will give birth, whether by hook or by crook. Nonsense! Try it. Try it. I went to my husband's and now so it cannot be from my lineage. Yes, it cannot be from my brother. It must be from that witch.
Akudo, I command you to dry your tears. You are not a barren woman. Why would you be? After all, your late father, my brother, gave birth to children, which you are one of them. Why would you be a barren woman? Why?
Uncle, if I am not barren, then what is delaying my conception? You know how I reserved myself. I married my husband as a virgin. Why is life turning against me?
I could have stopped speaking blasphemy. Life cannot turn against you. You see the difference between you that call yourself a believer and myself, a traditionalist. A little trial, just this little trial make you to lose your faith entirely. Why?
Uncle, I would be this worried if my husband's sister Wakego is giving me peace. She is giving me troubles.
Akudo. Listen to me. Do not allow anybody to rob your peace of mind away. Because children do not visit unrelaxed mind or womb. See Wakego as a distraction and she doesn't deserve your tears. Did you get what I said?
Uncle, I will try further. But if I see a way to run out of that house, I will not hesitate.
You won't do such. Hence you are at peace with Ahamefuna, my in-law. No, you won't. And don't try it. Huh? Why are you just crying as if you are hopeless? Don't you know that you have someone like Onadike standing behind you? Do you understand what I just said? It's okay.
Waiting be the castle. Again in Nesse, Eja Wale Polo Nanyuku. One number is one day. If you fight and kill each other, enough wala. One day, pussy one day. If you fight and kill each other, enough wala.
Oh, Gabucho, yeah, I go why. Auntie Waka, good morning. Auntie Waka, I'm greeting you.
Hey, okay, are you okay? In Apodala, how dare you touch me? Why are you greeting me? You are greeting me as how? As who? Why are you greeting me? Did I ask for your greeting? See, let me tell you. The sight of you and that useless thing you call a sister disgusts me. Because both of you are brood of vipers.
Did you hear yourself well? No, Auntie Wakego, did you hear yourself well? How can you open your mouth and say that my sister and I were brood of vipers? That means you are
very stupid. Okay, I can see that your mouth is scratching you. Since you are looking for what to say, just go inside and repeat what I am about to say now. So that your useless go and say this that I want to say now. Both of you came to this house without wombs, especially in Yawa. Yes, in fact, both of you have eaten all the children in your womb. In fact, my brother is living in this house with a man and a man, making it 2 men. Okay, go there and say it. I'm not fetching a Bruno. Come on, get out of my sight. Susan, away.
Number 1, you're not God. Number 2, go. Just respect him whatever.
You are very useless.
You're not God.
Maybe
and you can
your
never be
mind
God.
is telling you that you have power here because my useless Efulefu brother is married to your sister. So you know Punku. Let me inform you on time. You see anything and everything that concerns this family. Nakam Kodi. That my useless brother does not have a share in Ania. So when you are talking, shape your mouth very well before Leki Sadia. Don't try me.
It's very obvious you don't know me.
Get
See, Auntie Wakego, I don't want to give you the other side of peace. If I give you the other side of peace, you know that.
Try me.
Try me.
You know I don't blame you. I don't blame you at all. The only reason you're here yakking your mouth is because that Efulefu man that you call your sister is still harbored in my house. If not, where will you even see me to talk nonsense?
I don't have your time.
Come on, Susan, what?
Oh, where you get me?
I
don't have your time.
If you try anything here, I will deal with you. Do that thing. I'm waiting for you. Okay, I don't blame you. No, go! You people want to undermine the office of the first daughter in this family. But don't be lucky soon, yeah? I will let you know that everything in this compound belongs to me. My brother does not have a say. For even trying to challenge me in my father's house. I will deal with you. Stay in your house. Is your house pursuing you? Every time you will carry your bad luck and your 2 left legs and come here, gallivanting and jumping around like a pregnant lizard. Ah! Don't worry.
No, sister, you're crying for her, Abi. Agadia kweka. Oye na mama no kagonka. Obieba, nemegine bakwa. See, sister, I'm very, very upset with you. And I'm very, very angry with your husband. Why is it that your husband is still keeping this wicked and unreasonable woman here? Why? Why?
What would you have a Hamefula do? What would you have the poor young man do? As it stands, his hands are tied. He has absolutely nothing to do because the entire family are in support of Nwakego staying in this house. Or would you prefer he chase her out like her husband did?
Of course. Sister, let her go. Let her go back to her husband's house. See, sister, you need peace. You need your privacy. This is your husband's house. You need time and space to enjoy your marriage. Can't you see? Can't you see it?
Peace. Do not forget that Sister Nwakego was instrumental to my marriage to her brother. The only problem she has with me is my childlessness.
Your childlessness. Has there been in any way Afamefuna got you pregnant and you did not keep the child? Has it ever happened?
No.
Are you God that creates children?
No.
So why are you crying? See, sister, I don't want to unleash my anger on that woman. She will not like me. I'm just keeping myself because if I show her my true colors, she will know why they call me peace. Oh. She will know why they call me peace. Now stop crying. Why are you crying now? Stop crying.
Yeah, stop crying. You will not understand. Please, you will not understand.
I understand. Stop crying.
You will
She
not.
doesn't deserve your tears. She doesn't. She can't be making you to cry and you're here crying.
The same water, the same flesh and blood. Malubanoa, onye bo bayam pokolo. Abatobi, enwelu yapontu. Fighting will not solve this problem. Let's come together as one family and live in peace. Nwakego, ezigbo nwanne mo. Nwakego, ogini ka imere gị. Nwakego, ezigbo nwanne mo. Nwakego, onwe ife anyị mere gị gbaghara. Nwakego.
Hey! Yeah! What is this nonsense? What is this nonsense? Come! It's like where you are coming from. All of you are confirmed pigs. You don't know what being clean is. Yeah?
And what is the meaning of this insult?
Will you shut that your silly mouth? Eh? I'm asking you a question. Are you a pig? Were you born a pig? Why are you littering the whole compound with dirty smelling water?
I am going to drink it.
Oh, come on.
No, I'm supposed to drink the dirty water.
Better for you.
I got one also.
What nonsense?
See, Auntie Nwakego, avoid me. See, give me my way. Name space.
If I don't,
I will take you by surprise.
More.
See, I am not a cool though, my sister. That you are intimidating anyhow. How dare you?
Isigini, Ijakamaka.
Yes.
Yeah. Wait, oh. You held my hand and prevented me from slapping you.
Before uncle.
Is that what you did? As in, Hey! As in, you obsessed my slap.
Try it.
Where's that my flavor, bro?
Try it. Let me show you. I got my baby. No labor now. So compound.
For peace to reign in this family, that useless slave for an about peace, that goat, she will leave my father's compound this minute.
Nwakego, that is not possible.
It's again.
There is no way I will ask my sister-in-law who just came to visit me to leave without telling her what she did. It's not possible.
Why are you pretending like you don't know what she did?
What did she do?
Yeah. Who gave her the guts? Who gave her that power, that audacity? Who gave her the authority to challenge me, Mama, in my own father's house? Ona Puala! What impunity?
Okay, Wakego, you should understand that I'm the one who called the shot here. I am the man of this house. This is my father's house. I am my father's only son. I call the shots. If you want to show your power, you go to your husband's house and not here. Stop this nonsense you're doing.
Ibwe Fulefu. You are your own father's son. Act like a son, Imeme. But you know I don't blame you. I don't blame you at all. Because you're the one who gave that your foolish wife and that her imbecile looking sister the guts, the wings to fly. Man, don't worry. I will treat them very well. Meme follow. And they are not your name.
That was your business.
You are a fool.
That's your business. If you're tired of this house, you can go back to your husband's house. Yes! Go back to your husband's house so I'll have peace in this house. Yes. What's your problem? Every day fight. Every day quarrel. I'm tired.
I can see that you people want to undermine the office of the first daughter in this family. It will not happen. You people will give me the respect that I deserve. You people will know that I am the one in charge of this family. Kaikoria, don't say I did not tell you, because you will stay here and see how I will handle that miscreant if she does not leave this compound. Kaikoria.
What nonsense are you? Office of what? Office of first daughter. What are you saying? No, can you not call it in here? The office of
your mates, when they marry, they also leave their father's compound. They go outside and build like a man. But I'm going with Flav. You are here struggling with your father's house. That is not even modern.
Madam, go back to your husband's house.
I don't want to go. Pursue me and steal now.
Go back to your husband's house.
Anyway, that one is your business. Just be listening and see how I'm going to treat that your useless sister-in-law's fuck off.
Nonsense. Office of the... What nonsense was she even saying? That's what I call it. Office of the first daughter.
I know what I'm saying. I don't like problem. The problem come here and break you. I'm ready. My name is Peace, but opposite of peace is trouble. And I'm ready to give trouble. You just make clear my in-law. Jiranya dey follow. This is where I poured the dirty water. Your sister came out, started shouting. Nah, Baremu, there is nothing your sister did not say to me. Because where else am I supposed to pour this? When I got her or something, where am I supposed to pour this water?
I don't understand. Is this not sheer wickedness? Where does Nwakego expect her to pour the water now?
Johnny and...
Huh? My love, please, to avoid troubles, why don't my sister here go back to our father's house for peace to reign? Pico.
What did she say? Over my dead body, madam. Over my dead body? How can Nwakego blow the piper in a compound that I inherited from my late father as the only son? She's mad. Peace is going nowhere. She will remain here. Let the heavens fall. Onapwala.
Ogomoke. You know my sister. This one, she likes to cry. Please, instead of me to cause her pain, let me just go back to my father's compound. At least we have a compound. Let me go back there.
Peace, I still maintain my stand. You are going nowhere. You will be in this compound. Let the heavens fall. This is too much for Nwakego now. This is too much for her.
Can you please listen to my word of advice for once? I don't want my sister here to make headlines as the reason for your problem with your sister. Pico.
Leave my hand. What is this one saying? Eh? Stay out of this, oh. Stay out of this. Are you not supposed to be the one fighting for your rights in this house? Protecting your own possession. This is your own property, your husband's house. Nwakego should go back to her husband's house. What nonsense are you saying? You're here telling me for the sake of peace. You are going nowhere. You stay here. Thunder will fire her. What kind of nonsense? Huh? What kind of nonsense?
I know. You know that attack that was launched on you earlier wasn't for you. It was meant for me. She wanted to bring me out and finish me as usual. But no, I will disappoint her. I will not give her that opportunity. One name, please, I want you to get yourself ready and leave this house. Biko.
Hey, sister. You check it, this thing check you. Did you check it? See, I hope if I leave, my in-law will not be angry with you.
I would rather have a misunderstanding with my husband than contend with that witch in that house. I've never seen someone as wicked and heartless as my sister-in-law.
Sister, no problem. I will go. If that will make you happy. Because all I want is for you to be happy. And if that will make my in-law not to be upset with you, because I don't want you to be unhappy. I'm not afraid of that woman. No. I am not. I am not afraid of her. I am not.
Calm down. Oh? I know you care for me. I know you want the best for me. But don't worry, I will be fine. Thank you for your understanding. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for fighting for your sister. I believe if our parents were to be alive, all this wouldn't be happening.
So if they are not alive, they should kill us. No, because they are not alive, they should kill us. See, I am alive. Oh. My name is Peace. I will not be alive and watch that woman torment you in your own husband's house, all in the name of marriage. Now get him, See, you see that woman? I will not be alive and watch her do you any harm. It will not happen.
You're shouting.
I will make sure I protect you.
You're shouting. She might hear your voice.
Nah, sister, talking to me yourself. It's very annoying. You never can make
Pico, calm down. Pico, I'm going to hit you. Pico, one name. Come and get your things so you go. Pico.
Hey!
Pico. Are you coming here, Pico?
We are one. The same water, the same flesh and blood. Malubano wa onye bo bayam pokolo. Abatobi enwelu yapontu. Fighting will not serve.
Yeah, Akudo, come here. Come here without your flame. We need to go now and get a man. Walk like human beings. In fact, that doesn't stop there. Stop there. This is Mama Bingo. Oh, finally you are leaving. No. You should have stayed to drag my father's compound with me. And no fear, idiot. Now that I know that you are just an empty vessel making noise up and down. A slave. Idiot.
You should seek for peace just once. You asked my sister to leave your father's house, not your husband's house. Obonabago. So why are you making noise? Why are you backing?
Yeah, Akudo. It is that noise that will kill you, with the thunder that will accompany it to your house. And if you look at this one that is talking, empty barrel, burying he-goats. You have the mouth to talk. Respect your old age,
You to respect your old age. Wakego, see, you lack shame. You lack shame. See, look at the way they threw you out of your husband's house.
So,
disgracefully. You came back to your father's house without your children, without husband. Ifela there, Maggie, and you're here talking to my sister. You should have shame.
I am not the first one, and I will not be the last. Okay, Mama? No, now. Why should I be ashamed? This one I'm doing is with my power. I have not started using my connection in Anuya. So after making noise, Suze away. In fact, when you get to that your house, go to the grave of your miserable parents and repeat this thing that you said. And no fear. All those your parents are all even your great-great-grandfather. He was married in a guy in the street. I'm very sure you inherited it. Look at them. Daughters of doom, daughters of iniquity, and daughters of unfruitfulness. That is what you are. You came here to rub your bad luck on us. Make way. Lose away. Full away.
Is it not obvious? Agaji, my baby. It's very obvious that you've been the one eating my sister's children in her womb. But she will not see. Make a bread
Your sister's womb is empty. Only if I didn't hear. No, I got to be fair. Full away.
I don't blame you.
Lose away.
Next time I come back, you know that.
Who is now living? I thought we were doing challenge. Come now. So you are now living. You are not living up here. You are not living. Full away. Lose away. If you leave, shame on you.
Nonsense.
If you finally leave, shame on you. Rubbish. This is my father's compound. I take pride in my father's compound. This is the compound I grew up in. And no fool, no vampire will come and mess it up for me. You see, this is my office. The office of the first and only daughter of this compound. It is very active. You cannot challenge it. I'm begging person.
Uncle, the earlier you go to Afam's house to go and warn that mad divorcee to leave my sister the hell alone, the better. Because she has sworn that she will deal with my sister. And I will not be alive and watch that happen. Never. Come to think of that, why won't Mayflower stand up and talk to his sister to leave the wife alone?
Can you shut up if you don't know what to say? Don't you know that matters like this are crucial and very delicate? It should be handled with care and maturity.
Defend him now. No, go ahead and defend him. Men, you always defend each other. What is difficult in wanting the sister to stay away from the wife? No, what is difficult to... But Uncle, she's saying the right thing. Yes, and Tinkiru is making a point. Why can't Afamefuna talk to the sister to leave my sister the hell alone? Why is she trying to frustrate my sister's life? Why can't she go back to her husband's house?
Peace, will you shut up? You are talking to your uncle. Listen to me. Aham will take his time. He has to be, this is an issue, this issue is delicate. Look at Akudo, the wife. Nwakego, the sister. He has to take his time and handle this maturely. Else one will accuse him of taking sides. Don't you know that it's a delicate matter?
Yes! Ahamefula is not a man. A man is a man that will stand on his ground. Stand firm and call a spade a spade.
Now go there and stand firm and call a spade a spade. Will you shut up?
Uncle, auntie, ha! You people should not say that I, Peace, did not come to report to you people. If anything, if that girl touch my sister, like if anything happens to my sister Kudo, I swear she will regret ever knowing me.
Tigress,
I will destroy her.
Shut up, Tigress.
I will destroy her.
You cannot do anything. Why didn't you kill them before you start coming here? Look at you, you are hitting hand on me. Okay, now go there and fight them. Go there and fight them yourself. Hence you think that Onadike is a fool. You are here hitting. Are you mad? Who thought? Cow shut up. Why would they make no girl?
Now. You are talking for solution. And we are talking for solution in Apple. Where are you going to now? Where are you going to? You go there. You go talk to that.
Akudo, on whose authority did you sleep this house? My friend, I asked you a question.
My husband, I only want peace to reign. Of what use is this killing and dying, quarrel every day in this house? Of what use is it? I'm not finding it funny any longer. It's no longer funny.
Are you indirectly calling me a weakling? Akudo. Are you indirectly telling me I do not know how to possess my possessions?
That is not what I meant. I mean no harm. I know the man I married. I know you to be a very strong man. A man that keeps to his words. But if my sister's departure will make peace reign in this house, then let it be. Please, forgive me.
Things have to stop following the same trend in this house. I am the man of the house. I will curtail Nwakoye's excesses. I will.
And then what happens? People will see me as a problem between you and your only sister.
Who cares about what people will say? Who cares? Listen, Nwakoye will either leave this house alive or...
God forbid! Heaven bear me witness that I will not live to witness any violence in this house. I will never witness it with my eyes. I'd rather run out of this marriage than witness that happen. I'd rather remain unmarried than all this problem every time.
It's alright. We'll see about this. We'll see about this.
I'm only asking for peace. It's just peace that I want. I don't know why everyone in this house don't want peace. Everybody wants to kill, everybody wants to die, everybody wants war. You people should welcome peace in this house. What kind of thing is this? It's just peace that I want. Am I asking for too much? I just want peace. It's just peace that I want.
United we stand, but divided we follow.
Auntie Nwokoye, there is something I want to discuss with you. Auntie Nwokoye, I said I want to discuss with you.
Ezo, you want to discuss with me? And you came with a seat. You don't have respect at all. Oh, full respect. In short, oh, you want to discuss with me and you came with a chair so that we will discuss as what? As colleagues, okay? Or as friends? Or as mates? Which one?
None of the above.
Ezioku.
But as your brother's wife. By the way, as the woman you found suitable for him and recommended her to him for a wife.
That was then. But now I know I made a big mistake because I thought you were who you were pretending to be.
There is no pretense in my life. Not even a single one. I am as transparent as water. I am who I am, both in and out. Anyway, what I want to discuss with you is that you should please try and make peace with your brother.
Akudo, you are a useless pretender. You a slave. A useless pretender. Anyway, I don't have a brother. So you and that your so-called husband, you are on your own. Don't disturb me again. Get out of my sight. Zuza away, come Fozo. Come from the Chineke Kwanaka Ke. It is better for me to see a wild gecko now, more lizard, than seeing you.
Auntie Akudo, don't be surprised that you will wake up one day in this house and not see me. This place is becoming too hot for comfort.
Where do you think you're going? You're not going anywhere. Now that your sins are beginning to find you out, you want to run away. Akudo, nke abukwa periphery. Periphery nke wife no kwa n'ihu. Akwo be kwa beans akwo momo ya wenes. You want to run away? Mbanon. My problem has just started though. Onye boss somewhere. Look at you. I told you since to go, you did not go. It is now that I'm ready for you. That I have packaged your trouble for you. You want to run away. So that you will enjoy the trouble. Mbanon. You will stay here and enjoy that problem with me till the end. Onye boss somewhere.
Akudo, do you ever realize that you have an uncle like Onadike? Look at you, suffering verbal, emotional and psychological trauma in the name of one senseless woman. And you have foolishly decided to keep quiet until you die. Okay, look at it. Why? Akudo, why?
Uncle, you are old in this marriage institution. And you know that marriage is not a bed of roses. Eh? It's not like bread and butter. So marriage do have their own challenges. And I am accepting my own challenge in good faith.
Akudo, have you ever eaten bread in this house? Since you married Aham, have you eaten bread? It has all been bone, 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 bone. Look at it. You are looking around to see if the... Akudo, what's your problem? Akudo, what's your problem? What challenge are you talking about? You prefer to die for a particular problem you did not create. A particular problem you are not, that is not of your fault. Why do you decide to keep quiet until you die?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry for not reporting my family problems to you. The thing is that I thought it would be of disturbance to you. You're already doing too much for my sister and I since our parents died.
Akudo, I can see that you are gradually losing it. Arielegi, Aham and the sister have eaten you. Akudo, listen to me. What do you think my late brother will be saying in his grave? That I abandoned you? I will not!
Uncle, calm down. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for keeping you incommunicado.
Akudo, the bride price Aham paid on your behalf, I have it here. Do you want me to bring it out? Akudo, listen to me. If our family gate is wide open, if you try everything you can to make your marriage with Aham work, without success, Akudo, come back home. Akudo, I said come back home. Akudo, Akudo.
You have changed overnight, my beloved sister. What is the problem?
Sister Wakego, like I mentioned earlier, you see, I will need some money, enough money, so I can go back to the city and re-establish myself, you know, get back online. Because sitting down here in this village and rusting is not going to do this family any good. It's better I go back, you know.
See, the way I'm seeing, as I'm just looking at you now, I am seeing a very big influence. I am seeing a fool that doesn't have sense. You know, I thought you had sense, so I thought you are reasonable. But now, as I'm looking at you, it has just dawned on me that of shaking sense you don't have. In fact, the way I'm looking at you, if labor, this your here, this your upstairs, it's empty.
Oh, sister, why would you say a thing like this now? Why would you say this kind of thing? Is it because I'm asking you for financial help? Why would you say this now?
I am not parting with any of my shishi. Many also. Kobo, you will not see. I have tried. Look at you. This thing that I'm staying here is not doing the family any good. It's not doing you any good. It doesn't concern the family. Look at your sense of entitlement. See, you have in-laws. Even in-laws. Go and ask them for financial help. They should help their daughter's husband. That is what they are supposed to do.
Sister Wakego. Sister Wakego. Sister Wakego.
In a shout to Afam.
Wait, don't think because I'm asking you for money I don't know what I can do. Eh? Don't think I'm confused though. I know my rights in this house.
It's you.
Don't make me wake up one day and go into order for our father's property, sell it off, raise enough capital for myself and go back to the city. Don't try me, oh.
Yes, again. What did you just say? Hey! Maya! I'm trying it. Try it! See, any day you wake up and you decide to go inside your spirit and you agree with your spirit that you have lived enough, that you don't want to live on this earth again, you want to die, or you wake up and look around and now decide that the fresh air that you're enjoying, you don't like it anymore, or this freedom that you're enjoying, you don't like it anymore, go and touch any of my father's land. You will not in prison.
Tell us, sister, that you cannot do anything. What do you mean? You arrest, you send me to prison for selling of my own father's property. You cannot do it, Joe. You cannot do it. Stop oppressing me.
I cannot do it. See, maybe traditionally, you can walk into the land, look at the land and all that. But Afam, you will not do it until you give me my money. Yes, Afam, you will give me the money I spent on our father when he was sick. You did not bring shishi. You will also give me the money I spent on his burial. After all, Lord, your father na one there, but I did it. Where were you? Oh. Yes, so maybe when you do all that, you can go and die inside that land if you like. I don't care.
Now I understand. Now I understand that you're not even alright upstairs. Your head is not even working very well. But I will show you that I am the only son of this family. Just watch. Look, just watch what will happen. Watch what will happen. I will prove to you that I'm the only son of this family. What do you mean? Oh God, you cannot oppress me. You cannot oppress me. I will not be oppressed.
Your mouth will be ranting. When I say you will not know how empty you are. Maya, if you touch any piece of land, in war. Nonsense.
Thank God I went there and I interviewed Akudo. Why would she be dying in silence as if she has nobody?
You see it? Did you not pick offense when I urged you to go and talk things over with Afam?
Just imagine my own niece eating the bread of sorrow. See, may the gods of the land vindicate me. I have decided to take the bull by the horn.
Wham, your stand is ideal.
Good.
Because let for Akudo, she'll be dying to work, make things work.
I say I shouted at her. Why would you foolishly want to make a worrisome marriage work by fire by thunder? I asked her whether she's mad or stupid. Hi.
And soon people will be talking, accusing you of negligence, that you abandoned her to her fate because she's not your direct daughter.
Nkiro, my wife, are you just gazing? Who knows if they've not started discussing and gossiping already? See, that victimization must stop. It must.
It should stop. Because even the spirit of your late brother is running around. To see your action.
Even now, I think he's here watching. But I have to do that. Nonsense.
Uncle, I don't understand. How can Nwakego stand against me? Because I decided to sell off my father's property, my late father's property, in order to get established. Why?
My cousin, Beacon, mellow down. You see, this issue can be handled peacefully, with maturity and understanding.
No, because I'm not understanding anything here, Uncle. I'm not getting it. Ordinary Nwakego, a girl, a woman, stopping me from exercising my rights as the only son of this family. No, it's not possible now. It's not possible.
You see, Nwakego is not ordinary in this traditional matter. Oh yes, as I rightly told you, we need to resolve this issue amicably for peace to reign.
So what you're saying, in essence, is I need her consent. Uncle? Listen,
I am going to exercise my right as the only son. And as a matter of fact, I will pour liberation on our late father's grave against Nwakego for standing against me.
Amefula, don't you ever think of trying what you've just said, because if you do, the spirit of your late father and our ancestor will kill you immediately without no apology. You gotta go.
That's a lie, uncle. Why would my father kill me? Why would my late father kill me? Why would my ancestors kill me? Am I not the true son of my father?
Of course, you are the true son of a lion. But you see, we need some certain rights and obligations to conduct before you can have such rights. Amefula, I know what I'm saying.
Why do I sense blackmail here? No, because I perceive blackmail. It's obvious. It's obvious.
Mua Ufomadu, a title holder, blackmail you, my cousin, my own blood? What would I gain from doing such things? Ogini Nemeba.
Very nonsense people. No. I was not even expecting this from my own. Yes. Because I am very sure that Nwakego must have overfed him with lots of bribe. So he's at liberty to vomit rubbish from his mouth.
My husband, I have warned you severally to calm down. You should be very careful about this, your hot temper. Do you know that if you had calmed down, you would have known the reason why you cannot exercise your sonship?
Listen, I don't care about his corrupt declaration. Yes, very soon I will bring shame to his face and that of Nwakego. I will show to them who is more qualified in this family. I will prove it to them, I promise you. Huh?
What we are talking of here is about tradition and custom. And when it comes to tradition and custom, you have to be very careful, because it can be a two-edged sword. The dead can sometimes be unreasonable.
I don't have time for this, your advice. I don't have time for this, your advices now. I don't have the time. Meanwhile, remind me, there's something I would like you to do for me.
I am still your wife. That peaceful and loving Akudo that you married. I'm not wait to Obi. Oh, I wait to Obi. Keep your
name. What just happened now is really a sweet taboo. Do you know why? That shows that our ancestors are alive and active.
Wazico Nadike. They are more alive than we, the mortals. You got to go.
That is true. That is true. They are immortal, they do not die. But we human beings, we are mortals and we die. Yeah? Our ancestors, I can't delay you.
Nadike, if I may ask, why the comparison?
You see that actually I was going to your house before I see you on the road. And the reason I want to see you is very important and genuine. It is of crucial importance that we should have to iron it out and now.
Nadike, that could be good omen and the wishes of our ancestors. Now tell me, Nadike, what is the problem? K4.
It's about my niece, Akudo, whose hand I gave in marriage to Amefuna. Your cousin Nwakego does not want that girl to enjoy her marriage.
Nadike, Ogini Nemeba. Nadike, Ogini Nemeba. Why is it that no one has brought this to my knowledge? And if I may ask, Nadike, why is she dying and what is the problem?
Listen to me. Do you see that Nwakego, that divorcee? She's not giving my niece any rest. And my niece Akudo is dying slowly every day. Why?
Hey. Nadike, Bikonu, I promise you that I will settle these issues amicably between them. Bikonu.
I hope you bought a sizable one.
You did not tell me the purpose, but I bought a good one and a bottle of schnapps.
Go and bring it, let me see.
That won't be a problem.
Very, very good. It's alright.
What is this purpose you are talking of? Or does it not have a name?
Tomorrow I want to confirm the legitimacy of my sonship in this family.
You want to go fetish?
No. I want to go traditional. I want to pour libation on my late father's grave to find out between Nwokoye and I who is more superior in this house.
Hey, Papa, are you sure you are doing the right thing?
Of course.
Won't this amount to voodooism?
My love, if I don't do this, I will remain a slave in my father's house. It's not possible now. I won't let that happen. Please go and keep these things. Tomorrow I ask you for them.
Afam, I'm not okay with this thing you want to do.
Waiting be the casual. Organinese. Eja bole polo na nyuku. Che. One number is one.
My love.
Go inside and get me those cups.
Good morning. This one you are holding in a knife.
Just go inside, get me those cups. It's time. Hurry up.
My love, do you still want to go ahead with this? Yeah? Hope you made inquiries. You know this practice is spiritual.
Akudo, what is wrong with you? My friend, go inside and get me this stuff, sure. Get me the kola nut, the schnapp, and that fowl. Hurry up!
We are one. The same water, the same flesh and blood.
The bottle of schnapps.
Akudo, what kind of play is this now?
I'm not playing, no. It's not just the snap, the cock is dead. Okay.
Akudo, who killed this cock you bought yesterday now?
I should be asking you.
No, I don't understand. Who killed this cock? Alright.
Are you sure you're not the one that drank the snap?
Marapan, iwa wana de lupano popo.
I don't like kola nut.
Okay, thanks. Akudo. Mefula.
Uncle,
What do you know about tradition?
I don't know anything about tradition. Yeah? Since when did I start studying tradition? I don't know anything about tradition. I don't want to know.
Mefula.
Uncle,
Your elder sister here, Nwokoye, is she aware about your intention to pour libation or sacrifice on your late father's grave?
no, she's not aware.
Wait, Kango.